Nung bata-bata pa ako mga kaibigan, no, all of my decisions and all the things that I do are based of what other people might think about me. Even nung nagsisimula ako dito sa YouTube mga kaibigan, I I try to impress people who doesn't care at all. So I think a lot of about what people might think about me, mga kaibigan. So nagsisimula ako dito sa YouTube, medyo iba yung identity ko or iba yung personality na napapakita ko sa camera kasi I try to impress people and to be honest, most of us are doing that. No? We do a lot of things we do a lot of things na trying to impress other people, no, mga kaibigan. But lately, I've realized and learned something na everything became easier when I started or when I stopped giving a fuck to what other people might think about me, no, mga kaibigan. So that's one of the realizations that I've had nung nagsimula akong mag-home based, no. So people thought, kasi nga it was before the pandemic and work from home was not a thing back then. So nung nagsisimula ako, people were baffled. Nagtataka sila, may ganun ba? Because they don't know about it, no, mga kaibigan. And I didn't give a damn. I didn't give a single fuck or a thought about what they will think. So I was just focused on landing a job that would give me a chance to work at home. And it was easier for me back then. It became easier for me to apply, to learn a lot of things. And then, yun nga, nagsimula ako sa YouTube. I thought that social media or YouTube would require to please people to be able or to be successful. And there would be times na I got so fed up na wala akong idea, wala akong mga content kasi it was not natural, no, mga kaibigan. I'm trying to do things because I think people would love it, people would watch it, instead of just doing the things that I really love, like this one. I just like sharing stories and ideas about the things that I've learned in life. No, dati inisip yung mga gantong videos is kind of boring. So what I'm trying to do is do videos that will hype people, show places, diba? But I love traveling, mga kaibigan, but not sharing everything, no? I just wanted to explore and then, you know, just do it for myself, not for sharing. So back then, even though I think that people would love it, I still do it. Ginagawa ko siya kahit hindi ko naman ganong na-enjoy. I do videos just to impress people so that people would watch my videos. And it was, you know, instead of being a fun journey, it became frustrating. Kasi I would get frustrated if no one would watch my video. Kasi nga, I'm trying to impress people. I'm trying to do things to get them to watch me, you know. So, when I started the shift into not giving a fuck to anyone, alam nyo yun, everything became easier, mga kaibigan. Mas naging madali kasi I don't think about other people na. So I do this kind of videos to share to people who would watch, not just to go viral, to show people that, alam nyo yun, not for the clout. So I'm just sharing things that I've learned, ideas that I've thought of, and I really don't care, if there would be people that's gonna watch me. And that became much easier for me to create content. It became much easier for me to speak in front of a camera. Kasi back then I was trying to look good so that people will see that I'm alam niyo yun, yung perfect for social media. And it didn't do me good. No one was watching my videos. There's a few videos that people watch kasi I put a lot of effort into editing back then. So ngayon, as I grew older, I become more tired na mag-edit, na mag-impress ng ibang tao. So I stopped trying to impress other people. I just wanted to do things that I really love. Talking and sharing stories and lessons ng mga kaibigan. So yun. And I'm simply enjoying the process now. I'm enjoying creating the video, sharing, and then doing everything that I want, no, mga kaibigan. And right now I'm happier. Everything's much easier to do. Mas masarap yung mga galaw ko. Alam mo yun, hindi ako pressured to create content for other people. So I don't have a timeline. Well, kailan ako mag-upload? I don't, alam mo yun, I stopped following the norm and just started doing the things that might be, that's gonna make me happy, mga kaibigan. And not just here sa YouTube, mga kaibigan, not just here sa pag-video ko. Nung bata-bata ako, mga kaibigan, kapag nagbabasketball ako, hindi ako nagsusuot ng mahabang medyas. Even though gusto ko siyang gawin. Because I think people would laugh at me. Hindi ako nagsusuot ng cycling na mahaba, nung hanggang tuhod. I'm not sure if that's what you call it. Hindi ako nagsusuot ng gano'n kasi I think it's OA. Pero gusto kong gawin, mga kaibigan. Even though hindi ako masaya, hindi ko siya ginagawa. But yun nga, nung natutunan ko yung gano'n na stop giving a fuck to other people or to what other people would think, everything become, alam niyo yun, mas naging magaan. Ngayon, kapag nagbabasketball ako, I wear long cycling or compression leggings ba tawag doon. So sinusuot ko na siya, nagmamahabang medyas na ako. And I mean, I stopped giving a fuck to them, and I enjoyed it, mga kaibigan. I started to enjoy basketball, no, mga kaibigan, kasi I'm just playing the way, or dressing up the way I wanted to, no? And masaya siya, mga kaibigan, kasi there's no pressure anymore to impress other people, and that's one of the things or the achievements na I'm really proud of, no, mga kaibigan. Sa trabaho ko, sa bahay lang ako, kasi may mga nagsasabi, dapat nagpunta ka sa opisina, dapat nito, sayang pinag-aralan, sayang. No, I don't give a shit. Ang gagawin ko lang is yung gusto ko, no? Kasi mga kaibigan, no, as you grow older, you're gonna figure it out too. Figure out din yun na your inner peace will be the top priority, no, mga kaibigan. And for you to be a great parent, you have to be at peace. Diba? Because if you're trying to please other people, you're gonna be frustrated, and it's gonna reflect on how you raise your kids. Diba? So ako, I stopped doing that, mga kaibigan, and everything become much easier. I become much more transparent with my kids. Nakikita nila kung paano talaga ako. And I'm able to express myself fully. I can be, alam mo yun, pwede kong maging cringe, pwede kong maging corny sa mata ng mga anak ko, and that's fine, diba? They see me as me, diba? So no filters, no anything, just, alam mo yun, masaya lang ako sa mga ginagawa ko, and it's enjoyable, mga kaibigan. And I assure you, you're gonna figure it out. You're gonna realize it soon na those people that you think that are giving, that those people na akala nyo may pakialam sa ginagawa nyo, sa mga ginagawa nyo video, sa mga ina-upload nyo, no, mga kaibigan, they don't give a fuck as well. Kasi mga kaibigan, just like us, tayo may mga sarili tayong problema, may mga pangarap tayo sa buhay, na gusto nating abutin, sila ay ganun din, and they don't have the time to give feedback, pansinin yung mga ginagawa mo, di ba? Unless they're really into, like, if they really your friend or they're family that will give you feedback, di ba? That they care about you. So, hindi lahat ng tao, mga kaibigan, is pinapanood yung galaw mo. Hindi lahat ng tao is ganon. You don't have a nemesis, you don't have people that's mad about you, no? Yeah. Nasa isip nyo lang yun, mga kaibigan. And that's one thing that you will learn as you grow up, no? As you find the journey to alam mo yun, kalayaan sa mga bagay-bagay. And I mean, the one thing that I've learned from it is that it's much easier to live. Mas madaling mabuhay, mas masayang mabuhay nang wala kang iniintinding feedback from other people, diba? So stop caring, simply just stop caring for people who don't care. But I mean, I do think pa rin naman, especially yung mga taong nagmamatter para sa akin. I think about what my kids would think about me if I do this, what my wife would think about me if I do certain things. So nandun pa rin yung care, pero yung mga taong wala namang bilang, wala ang bitaw sa buhay mo, just leave them be, mga kaibigan. Just focus on your growth, focus on yourself, and everything's gonna be much easier for you. Everything is gonna be called this easy breezy. Yeah, yun, napansin ko lang, everything started to fall through, to come into place when I started doing that. Wala akong iniintindi. Kung nakita niyo yung mga videos ko noon, medyo cringe, medyo corny. I'm trying to impress a lot of people when I started doing YouTube, because I want to go viral, diba? Sino ba namang content creator ang ayaw nun? But yun nga, when I started doing this, everything became more easier. I can create videos anytime I want without giving a single care to what they're gonna say, because this is social media, mga kaibigan. But at the end of the day, you still have to protect yourself, no? So think before you click, sabi nga. Pero just do what you want, mga kaibigan, no? If you wanted to go on places na hindi naman pinupuntahan ng ibang tao, then go. If you wanted to celebrate something like bago sapatos, it's okay, diba? Because you're the one who's doing it, you're the one who's buying, who's spending, not them. So isa pa yan, dati sa mga sapatos, mga damit, yan, I tried to, pagbibili ako sapatos, ang kulay lang na binibili ko noon is black, white, blue. Hindi nga ako nagre-red noon kasi it was against the norm. Kapag makulay yung sapatos mo, pagtatawanan ka kasi, ba't ganyan yung kulay mo, diba? So iniisip ko na baka pagtawanan ako, baka isipin nila ganito ako. But ngayon, kahit mas makulay yan, kahit kulay blue, orange pa yan, kahit makintab pa yan, kahit pink pa yan, it's gonna be fine for me as long as I'm comfortable na, mga kaibigan. And I mean, masaya mga kaibigan. I get to enjoy life, I get to enjoy everything that I wanted, no? And what can I ask, mga kaibigan, no? So that's one thing na may papayo ko sa inyo. If you're getting frustrated at what you're doing, maybe you're doing it for someone else and not just for you. So mga kaibigan, what I can say is, do the things that you love. Do it for the people that matters to you. Do it for yourself, do it for your kids, do it for your wife, not for other people na wala namang pakialam kung ano ginagawa mo. So do it for yourself, be happy, mga kaibigan, and that's it.